Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 28th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So yesterday I was saying that this really looks like a possible flat because it's definitely one, two, three waves down, and then it's definitely one, two, three waves up, and then I would consider this five waves down. A flat is supposed to be a three, three, five pattern, and it definitely does fit the characteristics of that. If that is true, it needs to go up and break structure. It needs to make an uptrend. If it does anything besides make an uptrend, then we're going to have to invalidate this and say that maybe it really is going down on a much longer term basis. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, the thing I do not like is that it did not go up and break structure yet. So we really don't know for sure that this right here is the bottom of that flat that I was just telling you about. If it goes down and takes out this low right here, I think that that is going to be telling us that it's actually not a flat and it actually is going back down. If it doesn't take out that low, or if it just spikes it, spikes below it and then rejects it, then it may actually make for a pretty nice long opportunity. Like I said, we need to see this breaker structure right here to confirm that this right here really is the bottom of a correction on like the 4 hour time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.